Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been trading cryptocurrency this past year, you know tax season can get tricky. But don't worry, today I'm showing you a full step-by-step guide on how to file your cryptocurrency taxes using TurboTax in 2025. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to integrate your crypto tax data and file confidently without headaches or guesswork. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head to the official TurboTax website. Sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, navigate to the 2024 Taxes section on your TurboTax home screen. This is where we'll start working on your current tax return. Next, go to the federal section of TurboTax. This is where all your federal tax information gets entered. Scroll down to wages and income, which is the area covering all income sources, including investments like cryptocurrency. From there, click on investments and savings. This section typically handles forms like 1099B, 1099I and T, 1099K, and most importantly for us, your crypto transaction data. Click on add or edit your tax data. TurboTax will ask if you have investment income to report. Select yes. Now comes the crucial part, selecting your financial institution. TurboTax will guide you to import your forms directly from the services you use, such as exchanges or platforms that generated your crypto tax reports. If you're using a tool like CryptoTrader.tax, this is where you can seamlessly integrate your transaction data. Follow the prompts to either import your forms automatically or manually enter the information. Once your crypto data is imported, double-check all entries for accuracy. Make sure every transaction is accounted for and matches your reports. This ensures your tax filing is correct and reduces the risk of mistakes or audits. Finally, follow TurboTax's steps to complete your filing. With your crypto transactions properly integrated, the process is smooth, saving you hours of manual entry and confusion. And that's it. Filing your cryptocurrency taxes with TurboTax doesn't have to be stressful. By importing your crypto data and carefully reviewing it, you can file confidently and stay compliant. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tax and crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.